Hope all are doing good. Uh, yeah, good to go. We'll start the session. So today we have our trainer Himanshu. So Himanshu, you can take up the class. Thank you.
Yeah, thanks, Chandana. So, good evening, guys. How are you all? Good evening, guys. Good evening. Okay, so let's wait for other participants. I'll start the session from 7:10. Okay, so guys, I want to know, is my screen visible? Yes. Yeah, thank you, guys. Vaishnavi is asking about notes. Okay, Vaishnavi, you will get the notes. Create account on LMS, you will get the notes. Sir, how to log in LMS portal? Okay, at last you can ask to Chandana. She will tell you. Okay, let me start the session. So guys, yesterday I gave one assignment to you. Okay, so have you completed? Is anyone who has completed this assignment create PF professional and loan field in salary object, then create calculate the total deduction, then net pay you have to calculate. So guys, have you completed? Yes, sir, I am completed. Good. Okay, so let me open my org and let me check the fields. How many fields are available in my org? Okay, I'm going to open the salary object. Okay, so guys, can you tell me what is junction object? What is junction object? Okay, so according to Ganesh, it's used to create many-to-many relationship. Okay, according to Drasya, to master relation for one object. Okay, Padmani, to master level object. Okay, Adnan, it's used to create many-to-many relationship. Junction object is when two master relationship are created on same object, according to Karthik. Yeah, good. Yeah, if we are creating two master retail relationship on one object, that is junction object. Perfect. Okay, so guys, what is my requirement? Okay, I want to create one formula field and I want to calculate the total deduction. Okay, what should be total deduction? PF plus professional tax plus loan. Okay, okay, we have PF field total already. There is already form, you can say total deduction field. Okay, I have created it. Total earning already we have created. Now what I want to calculate net pay. Okay, we are giving salary to the employee. Okay, there will be some basic salary. Okay, incentive, PF, professional tax. Okay, so what he will get, what will be the in hand salary? I want to calculate in hand salary. Okay, so in hand salary, it will be total earning minus total deduction. Okay, so what we have to do, we have to create one field, net pay, in salary object. So I'm going to create it. Simple setup object manager, open the salary object. Okay, go to fields and relationship and click on new button. Okay, now you have to select the data type. So data type is formula. Okay, clicking on next button, going to write the label name. In return, I'll get the currency. Which type of data I am storing in NetPay? Currency type of data. Okay. So select the data type, then click on next button. Here you have tried the logic. What should be the net pay? Total earning minus total deduction. Okay, going to check the syntax. So there is no syntax error. Okay, clicking on next button, next, then clicking on save button. Okay, let me refresh the page and let me create one salary. Okay, I'm going to give the salary to the employee. So I'm going to select the employee. Okay, so to Sankey, I'm giving the salary. Okay, what is the basic salary of Sankey? Let's suppose 50,000. Okay, incentive pay 10,000. Okay, HRA 10,000. Okay, so there is PF. Okay, what 6,000 is the PF. Okay, professional tax, and we have loan. Okay, now click on save button. So when I'll click on save button, I'll get the data of formula field. Okay, salary slip number is PS09. Okay, pay slip date 23. Okay, July. So total earning is 70,000. Okay, so employee 03 salary is 70,000, but there is some PF, professional tax loan. Total deduction amount is 50,000. Okay, what will be the in-hand salary? 50,000. 55,000 will be the in-hand salary of employee 03. Okay, so here I am getting the in-hand salary information automatically. Okay, so now, okay, what we will do, will create the invoices for this salary also. Okay, with the help of coding, we can create the invoices. Okay, on invoice, what I want to display. Okay, on invoice, I want to display the month and date and month. Okay, if I am generating this invoices, this salary today. Okay, I'm creating salary record today. So I want to display month. Okay, it's the salary of the July and year. Okay, July 24. Okay, so I want to display two information. I want to display month. Okay, if this salary is created in July, so July should be display. If year is 2024, so 24 should be display. Okay, so how it is possible? We will use formula field here. Okay, so I want to create one field name. It should be pay period. Okay, pay period. What should be the pay period? July 24. Okay, so automatically value should be populated in this field pay period. Okay, July 24, August 24. Okay, September 24, January 25, like that. Okay, so again, I'm going to create one formula field. So open the salary object and create the formula field. Okay, so go to fields and relationship, click on new button, and here you will get formula as a data type. Okay, click on the next button. Okay, enter the label name. Okay, pay period. Okay, so which type of data we will get? We'll get July 24. We will get text type of data. Okay, we'll get text type of data. So let me select text as data type, clicking on next. Okay, so here what I'm doing, I'm going to use date today function. Okay, let me use today function. Okay, today function, what it will return? It will return today's date. Okay, today function will return today's date. What I want month. Okay, I want month from today's function. So we have month function also. Okay, month function also. So basically from month we'll get the number. Okay, returns the month, a number between 1 and 12. 1 is for January, second 12 is for December. Okay, so guys will not get January, February. Okay, will not get the month. So what can you do? You can create one pick list field. Okay, first you can create pick list field. January. Okay, payslip month January, February, March, April. 12 values you can add. Okay, it's the salary of January, it's the salary of February. Okay, so here what I'm doing, I'm going to select the year. Okay, year from today. Clicking on check syntax. Formula result data type is number. Okay, so what I'll get the year 2024 number value, but return type is text. Okay, so let me convert it into text. We can use another function that is text. Okay, no syntax error. So guys, what I am doing, I am taking the year. Okay, I am taking the year. Today will return today's date. Then I'm taking year. Okay, and from year I'll get 2024 number type of value. Okay, so what I'm doing, I'm going to convert it into text form. Okay, and before year, if you want to display any month, okay, you can display the month. Okay, so you can create one pick list field, month field. Okay, so if this salary is for July, you can select the value July. Okay, and that pick list field you can add here. Okay, so now what I'm doing, I'm clicking on next button. Next, then save. Okay, and let me create this salary. So automatically I'll get that the pay period. Pay period is July 24. Okay, 2024 is automatically coming. Okay, and here you can create one field, payslip month. In payslip pick list type of field you can create. Okay, and you can add January, February, March, April, May, June. If we are selecting August, so automatically August 24 we will get. Okay, so guys, do you have any doubt in formula field? Can you please explain, sir? Can you please explain again, sir? Okay. Guys, we have to create one field. Okay. We have to create one field, pay slip month. And which type of field we have to create? Pick list type. Okay, there will be some value. Jan. Okay, January, February, March. Okay. What I want to create one formula field, pay period. Okay. So in this field, data should be automatically populated. Okay. In this field, data should be automatically populated. If we are giving the salary in January to the employee, what should be the pay period? January 2024. Okay. So guys, when you will get the salary okay, on salary, or you can say on pay slip, what you will get the employee name, okay, your designation, okay, pay, pay slip month, okay, pay period. These information you will get on pay slip. Okay, so what I want display pay slip month. Okay, it's the salary of January, February, pay period. Okay, January 2024, February 2024. Okay, so I don't want to enter the value in pay period. I want data should be automatically populated. Okay, how can we populate the data automatically? We have formula field. Okay, means system will automatically calculate the data. So first what I'm doing, I'm going to create the pay slip month field with pick list data type. Okay, so guys, how can we create it? Simple, go to the setup. Okay, salary. Okay, go to fields and relationship. Click on the new button. Okay, so I'm going to select pick list as a data type. Next button. Okay, pay slip month. January, February, March, April, May, June. Okay, October, November, December. Now clicking on next button and going to save it. Okay, so whenever we will give the salary to the employee, we have to select the month. For which month it's the salary. Now what I want to create pay period field. Okay, pay period. Okay, I want to create pay period field in which I want to display month and year. Okay, so guys, I am repeating again. Okay, so simple. We have to click on the new button. Okay, click on the new button and create new field. Do scroll down, select formula as a data type. Then click on the next button. Okay, enter the label name. Label name is pay period. Okay, now in return, we'll get text type of data. Okay, January 2024, Feb 2024. So I'm selecting return type as a text. Okay, again clicking on next button. Okay, so what should be the pay period? Okay, pay period, if I'm creating salary today, so what should be the pay period? Okay, month is July, year is 2024. Okay, pay period should be July 24. Okay, if I am giving the salary on 1st January 2025, so what should be the pay period? If I'm giving salary in 1st January 2025, so January 2025 should be the pay period. Okay, what we have to do? We have to write the logic. What logic we have to write? First, we have to write the month. Okay, we have to select the month, pay slip month. Okay, first we have to select the pay slip month. Okay, so already we have one field that is pay slip month. Okay, I have selected it. What I'll get? I'll get the okay, I'll get the data, whatever are in pay slip month. Okay, so I want the data in text form. Okay, pick list data in text form. So I have added text. Okay, no syntax error. Whatever month I will select, that month will come here. Okay, so July will come here. Now I want year. Okay, if I am giving the salary 2 days, so 2 days year I want. If I am giving the salary in next year, so next year, okay, year I want. So how it is possible? So we have one function that is today. Okay, what it will return? It will return today's date. Okay, today function will return today's date. Okay, today's date means 23/07 July 2024. Okay, today function will return today's date 23 July 2024. Okay, what value I want here? Okay, what value I want here? 2024. Okay, I want only year. Okay, so we have one function that is year. Okay, select the year function, then enter the date. Date is today. Okay, so year function, what it will do? It will fetch the year only from today's date. Okay, so it will return 2024. If we are giving a salary in 2025, 25, it will return. 26 will return. Okay, so what I will do in payslip month, I will add this value. Okay, pay period equal to payslip month plus year. Okay, today's year. So how can we do it? Simple, go to the logic, add plus. Okay, use the function. So we have today function. Okay, so it will return today's date. What I want the year. Okay, insert it. Year, date. Date is today. Okay, so what I'll get the number type of data 2024. Okay, but return type is text. What is the return type? Text. So we need to convert it into text form. We have one function that is text. Okay, so with the help of text function, we can convert the number value into a text form. Okay, by default, year function will return the number value. So with the help of text function, I am converted it into text form. Now clicking on check syntax. Okay, there is no syntax error. If you want to okay, if you want to give the space, you can give the space also. Okay, no syntax error. Clicking on next button, next, then save. Okay, so guys, now what I'm doing, again, I'm going to give the salary. Okay, clicking on new button, I'm giving the salary. Okay, let me select the employee. Okay, so to Nitish, I am giving the salary. Okay, basic salary 50,000, 10,000 incentive, HRA 10,000. Okay, PF 6,000. Okay, professional tax 5,000, loan is 4,000. Okay, payslip month, it is the salary of, okay, we can select the month. Okay, so it's the salary of June. I am selecting June. Now clicking on save button. Okay, so you can see on backend pay period, what I'm getting, it's the salary of June, so June and year 2024. Okay, net pay, what is the in hand salary? Okay, total earning minus total earning 70,000 plus taxes. Okay, 15,000 are taxes. Okay, 70,000 minus, okay, 15,000 is 55. Okay, 70,000 minus 15,000, okay, equal to in hand salary. So I'm getting, okay, pay period I'm getting. So like that, we can use the formula of it. Okay, so guys, do you have any doubt till here? How can we use the formula how can we create formula field? Yeah, no sir. Perfect. Okay, so let me start next topic. Okay. Next is roll up summary field. Okay, next is roll up summary field. Okay, okay, so guys, is anyone can tell me how can we aggregate the data in Java? How can we aggregate the data in Java? Okay, according to persona, we have some max minimum average. Okay, guys, I want to aggregate the data. Okay, so how can we aggregate the data in Java language? In Java language, how can we aggregate the data? Who know Java, they can tell me. Okay, so in Java, we have one function, aggregate function. Okay, so list of aggregate function you can create and you will get the sum, maximum, minimum, average value. Okay, in aggregate function, you can store sum, max, minimum value. Okay, in Salesforce, we have roll up summary field. Okay. In Salesforce, we have roll up summary field. What is the use of roll up summary field? If you want to calculate, if you want to calculate, if you want to calculate the count of child record, okay. If you want to calculate the count of child record, okay. If you want to calculate the sum, max, minimum of any field. So that time you can use roll up summary field. Okay. So if you want to calculate the count of child record, okay, count of associated record, go to the roll up summary field and you will get the count. Okay. Count means, let's suppose there is some company. Okay. XLR, Curve Tech. Okay. Ecolab. Okay. We have second object employee. Okay. We have employee. Let's suppose if there are 1000 employee in XLR. So that count I want to display in this company 1000. Okay. If there are 200 employees in GulfTech, 200. Okay. If there are 5000 employees in Ecolab, that count I want to display. Okay. 5000 employees are in Ecolab company. Okay. So we can display the count of child record. Okay. Let's suppose we are giving the salary. There's one employee Ram and second employee is Syam. Okay. We are giving the salary. So for, okay. First time I have given the salary to Ram in January. Okay. 50,000. Second time, then third time. Okay. April, May, June. Okay. 60,000. In July, we have given 70,000. Okay. So guys, what I want, if I am opening RAM record, I want to display how many times I have given the salary to RAM. Okay. So guys, what I want to check how many times I have given the salary to Ram if I am opening the Ram record. Okay, Ram is working in XLR. Okay, so what I want, if I'll open the Ram record, I want to know how many times we have given the salary to Ram. Okay, so till now we have given 7 times. Okay, January, February, March. So 7 count I want to display in Ram record. Okay, how many times we have given salary to Ram? 7 times. Okay, so what we will do, we have count. Okay, we have count function which we can use. Okay, we can count the salary. Okay, now what I want what is what minimum salary we have given to a Ram. Okay, we have given the salary. Okay, we are giving the salary to a Ram. Seven times we have given. What was the minimum salary? Okay, what was the minimum salary of Ram? So minimum value I want to count. So for that we have minimum function. Okay, so minimum salary, what it should be? 750,000. Okay, I want to display maximum salary which I have given to Ram. Okay, so there is max count. Okay, maximum salary equal to 70,000. Okay, I want to calculate the sum. Okay, I have given 7 times salary to a Ram. Okay, so total what amount we have given to a Ram. Okay, from last 7 months he is working in our company. So from last 7 months, how much amount we have given to a Ram? That amount I want to display in Ram record. Okay, so total count I want. If I'm opening SAM record, okay, so SAM maximum salary, minimum salary, okay, total salary count and total amount which we have given, that I want to display. Okay, so how it is possible? It is possible with the help of roll up summary data type. Okay, with the help of roll up summary field. Okay, so if you want to calculate the count, sum, max, minimum of any field, so that time you can use roll up summary field. Okay, so so guys, roll up summary fields are available in lookup relationship or not? Okay, so not possible. Okay, roll up summary fields are not available in lookup relationship. Where it is available, it's available only in master detail relationship. Okay, so between company and employee, we have created lookup relationship. Okay, so we can't create a roll up summary field between company and employee. Okay, but in employee and salary object, I have created master detail relationship. Okay, so here I can create the roll up summary field. Okay, next question. Okay, it's the interview question. On which side we will create roll up summary field? Okay, on which relationship we can create roll up summary field? That is master detail. Okay, but in master detail we have two side, parent side and child side. Which side we will create? Okay, so let me check the answer. Okay, so according to Prasanna, master side. Okay, other participants is saying child. Okay, devious parent side, Neha parent side. Okay, so guys, I want to know where you will display the count. How many times we have given the salary? 7 times, 8 times. Where you will display the count? On employee. Okay, between employee and salary, which object is parent? Employee. To one employee, we can give many salary. Okay, one side is employee. Employee is parent. On parent, I want to display the count. Child record count, we have to display on parent. Okay, so where we will create the relationship? Sorry, on which side we will create the roll of summary field? On parent side. Okay, always we will create the roll of summary field on parent side. Okay. So now what I'm doing, I'm going to create the roll up summary field. Okay. On parent side. So this time parent is employee object. Okay. So on employee object, I'm going to create the roll up summary field. Okay. So guys, let me create roll up summary field. Okay. I'm going to open the employee object. Okay. So click on setup, edit object. Okay. Setup, edit object and open the employee object. Okay. So guys, we have to create field. So I'm clicking on new button and what will I get? I'll get the data type, new field. Okay. So on employee object, I am getting roll up summary data type. Okay. On employee object, I am getting roll up summary data type. But when I'll try to open it in salary object, okay, when I'll try to create these fields on salary object, it will be disabled. Okay. New field on salary object, select data type, roll up summary is disabled. You cannot create this type of field on this object because it is not the master in a master detail relationship. Okay. This object is not master object. Okay. It's the child object. So which object we have to open? We have to open the parent object. Parent is employee. Okay. Master object is employee. Okay. Simple select roll up summary field as a data type. Okay. Click on the next button. Enter the label name. So total salary count. Okay. Now I'm going to click on next button. Okay. What will be the summarized object? Okay. Which child object count you want to calculate? You have to select the child object here. Okay. So I want to calculate the count of salary object. So I have selected salary as a summarized object. Now going to select the roll up type. Okay. Roll up type is count. Okay. Step 1, select data type. Step 2, enter the field name. Okay. Step 3, roll up type. Okay. Count. Then click on the next button. Step 4, FLS. Okay. Field level security. Skip this part. Click on the next button. Step 5, add to page layout. Okay. Skip this part and simple click on save button. So one field I have created total salary count. Okay. So let me open the employee object. I'm going to open the Nitish Kumar and here what I'll get the count. Total salary count is 1. Okay. How many times we have given salary to Nitish? Only one time. Okay. Payslip number is 1. Okay. So let me open the RAM record. To RAM we have given salary many times. Okay. So here what will I get? I'll get the count. Total salary count is 4. Okay. So 4 times we have given salary to a RAM. Okay. Let me open the Sankey record. Okay. Count is 1. If again I'll give the salary to Sankey, okay, count will increase. It will be 2. Let me give salary second time. Okay, going to select the Sankey as a employee. Okay, let me save it. So second time I have given salary to Sankey. So when I'll open the Sankey record, what count will I get? I'll get 2 count. Okay. So here I will get 2 count. Total salary count is 2. 2 times we have given the salary to Sankey. Okay. So count is for to calculate the record. Okay. To calculate the number of record, we have count function. Okay. Next. Okay. So what I'm doing, I'm going to display the maximum salary, minimum salary. Okay. So I'm going to create another roll up summary field in employee object. So clicking on new button. Okay. Going to select roll up summary as a data type. Okay. Clicking on next button. Label name, any label name you can write. Okay. Maximum salary. Next button. Okay. So this time we have to select max as a data type. Okay. Maximum salary. Select the field. Maximum basic salary you want to display. Okay. HRA. Okay. Total earning. What maximum salary you want to display. Okay. Net pay. Total earning or basic salary. So I want to display total earning. Okay. If total earning is 70,000, okay, and tax is 15,000. Okay. So I want to display total earning. I don't want to display in hand salary. I want to display total earning. Okay. So clicking on next button, next button, then save and new. Okay. Now going to create minimum salary. Going to select roll up summary as a data type. Okay. Label name minimum salary. Okay. Summarized object as a salary. Select minimum roll up type. Okay. Total earning. Click on the next button. Okay. Next button and save it. Okay. So two fields I have created, minimum and maximum. Okay. So guys, roll up summary field, is it read only field or edit field? Can you tell me? It's a read only field or edit field? Okay. So everyone is saying read only. Good. Okay. So it's a read only field. Okay. Who will enter the data in this field? Okay. User or system? Okay. So system. automatically system will calculate the data. Okay, we don't need to enter the data in this field, system will calculate automatically. Okay, so this field will not available on edit page. When we will save this record, after that we will get, okay, maximum salary, minimum salary. Okay, so what I'm doing, I'm going to open the employee record, going to refresh the page. Okay, let me refresh the page again, and let me open the record again. Okay, so still I am getting total salary count 2. Okay, so let me open the classic. In lightning it will take some time, so I'm going to check it in classic. Okay, employee 03. So you can see total salary we have given 2 times. Okay, maximum salary how much we have given? Okay, 70,000. Minimum salary 60,000. Okay, so let me give third salary. Okay, go to the related list of the Sankey, and from here you can also give the salary. Okay, going to give the new salary. So this time I'm writing 20,000. Okay, incentive 0. Okay, 5,000. Okay, simple clicking on save button. Okay, so third salary we have created. Now we're going to refresh the page. Okay, Sankey Agarwal. Okay, total salary count 3. Okay, in Lightning, I'm not getting maximum and minimum salary. Okay, these field will be reflected in some time. So in Classic, I'll get the details. Okay, employee ID EMP03, employee name Sankey Agarwal. Do scroll down. Okay, maximum salary 70,000. What is the minimum salary? 25,000. Okay, so here I'm getting minimum salary count, maximum salary count. Okay, now what I want to calculate total amount of the salary. If I have given salary 3 times, so how much salary we have given? I have given. Okay, how much salary I have given till now from starting month. Okay, so total salary amount. Okay, I want to calculate. So how it is possible? It is possible with the help of sum function. Okay, so sum will calculate total salary. Okay, first month salary, second month, third month. Automatically it will calculate. So I'm going to create another field. Okay, in employee object, I'm going to create total salary amount. Okay, selecting roll up summary as a data type, clicking on next button. Okay, total salary amount. Okay, summarize object salary. Okay, so this time we have to select sum as a roll up type. Which field you want to aggregate? Select the field. So total earning field I want to aggregate. Okay, now I am clicking on next button. Okay, next, and going to save it. Okay, so when I'll save it, what will I get? I'll get the total salary amount also. Okay, what is the total salary amount? 1,55,000. That amount we have given to Sankey. Okay, let me open the RAM. 4 times we have given the salary to RAM. Okay, maximum salary 60,000. Minimum salary Okay, 47,000. Total salary amount which we have given 2,27,000. Okay, every information we are getting. Nitish Kumar count is 1. Maximum and minimum salary 70,000. Total salary amount 70,000. Okay, if I'll give the new salary. Okay, 50,000. Okay, so let me open the employee Nitish Kumar. Now what will be the count? 2. Total salary count 2. Maximum salary 70,000. Minimum 50,000. Total salary amount 1,20,000. Okay, so system will automatically calculate. How it is possible? It is possible with the help of roll up summary field. Okay, so guys, do you have any doubt till here? Okay, so no, sir. Perfect. Okay, so guys, now you can enjoy your 5 minute break and come back at 8:12. Okay, okay, guys. Okay, so guys, are you back? Yes, perfect. Okay, so let me start new topic, that is validation rule. Okay, so next topic is validation rule. What is it? If you want to validate the data before saving the record into database, so that time we use validation rule. Okay, next time is validation rule. Okay, so if you want to validate the data before saving the record into database, so that time you can use validation rule. Okay, so what I want, if I am creating any record, okay, let's suppose I'm in employee object and I'm going to create new employee record. Okay, so here I'm entering the employee information. Okay, and we have phone number. I'm entering 5-digit phone number. Okay, and clicking on save button. So record will be created. Okay, record will be created. What I want, if phone number length is less than 10 digit. Okay, if phone number length is less than 10 digit, I don't want to save the record. Okay, record should not be created. What I want to display the error message. Okay, so whenever I'll click on the save button, first validation rule should be execute. Okay, and it will check the phone number. Okay, if phone number length is less than 10 digit, that time we have to display error message. Okay, there is some error in phone number, please enter correct phone number. Okay, so after entering the correct phone number, data should be saved. Okay, so how it is possible? It is possible with the help of validation rule. Okay, so it is possible with the help of validation rule. We can validate the data. Okay, so guys, I'm okay. I'll create the validation rule. Okay, how can we create validation rule? We have to click on the setup. Okay, setup object manager, then open the object. So I'm going to open the employee object. When you will open the employee object, okay, you will get details of the employee object, fields and relationship, record type, page layout, search layout, compact layout. Okay, so at last, what will you get? You will get the validation rule. Okay, Do scroll down and at last you will get validation rule. Okay, click on validation rule, then new button. Okay, so in validation rules you will get all the validation rule which you have created on employee object. Okay, if you have not created any validation rule, so go to the new button. Okay, hit on new button and create new validation rule. Okay, write the validation rule name, enter validation rule name. Okay, phone number validation. Okay, there will be one checkbox active. Okay, so you have to click on checkbox also. Okay, active, it should be true. Okay, validation rule we can activate or we can deactivate. Okay, so now what I'm doing, I'm going to create the validation rule. Setup object manager employee object. Okay, setup object manager employee object. Okay, do scroll down at last validation rules. Okay, we have validation rule. Click on validation rule. Okay, after that there is one button new. Okay, click on new button and create new rule. Okay, create new rule, enter the rule name. Okay, phone number validation rule, make it active. Okay, we have description field. Okay, description means why are you creating this validation rule. Okay, it's optional. If you want to write you can write it, else skip it. Okay, to validate the phone number. Okay, now what we have to do now, we have to write the logic. Okay, now we have to write the logic. What logic we have to write? Phone number length. If phone number length is less than 10, that time we have to display error message. Okay, we have to write the logic. Okay, what logic we have to write? Okay, phone number length should be greater than, sorry, should be less than 10. Okay, first validation rule. Then write the logic in validation rule. Okay, if condition is true. Okay, if condition is true, if any user is entering phone number and length is less than 10, we have to display error message. Okay, if condition is true. Okay, if logic is true, logic can be true and it may be false. Okay, so in validation rule, if logic is true, what will happen? Okay, error message will display. Okay, error message will be displayed on screen. If condition is true, so user will get the error message. Okay, if condition is false, so record will get saved. Okay, if condition is false, so record will get saved into database. Okay, so whenever you will create the validation rule, you have to enter the rule name, then you have to write the logic. Okay, if logic is true, error message. Okay, user will get the error message, whatever error message you will write. If logic is false, that time record will get saved into database. Okay, now what I'm doing here, I'm writing 7. Okay, I'm entering phone number, 7-digit phone number. Okay, phone number length is 7. Okay, so 7 is less than 10. What is our logic? Phone number length. Okay, phone number length is less than 10. So condition is true or not? So this time condition is true. If condition is true, so what we will get? We'll get the error message. Okay, please enter valid phone number. Okay, please enter valid phone number. We'll get the error message. Okay, what we will get? We'll get the error message. Okay, if we will enter more than 10 digit, or we are entering 10-digit phone number. Okay, so 10 is not less than 10. Okay, 10 is not less than 10. So what I want to save the record. Okay, I want to save the record. So how it is possible? First write the logic. Okay, so clicking on insert field, I'm going to write the logic, phone number. Okay, if you are entering pin, okay, CVV number, length should be 3 digit. If a user is entering more than 3 digit, that time we have to display error message. Okay, if you are entering postal code or pin number, length should be 6 digit. Okay, what should be the length? 6 digit length. If it is greater than 6, we have to display error message. If it is less than 6, we have to display error message. Okay, how will you do? You will do it with validation rule. Okay, how you will achieve this functionality? By validation rule you will achieve it. Okay, so employee phone number. Okay, employee phone number, we have created this field with phone data type. Okay, what is the data type of employee phone number field? Phone. Okay, so if you are selecting phone as a data type, means you can store open and close parenthesis information. Okay, we can store hyphen information, dash information, that type of data we can store. Okay, so in backend, phone is a string type of field. String means text type of field. Okay, phone is the text type of field. So we have to calculate the data of text type of field. Okay, so here what we will do, when we will write the logic. Okay, whenever we will use employee phone number, we have to write the text also. Sorry, we have to use one function, that is length. To calculate the length of text, we have length function. Okay, length is for text. Okay, phone number is text type of field. Okay, if you want to calculate the length of number, first convert it into text form, then calculate it with the help of length function. Okay, so clicking on check syntax. Okay, so length of phone number is less than 10. If length of phone number is less than 10. I want to display error message. What error message I want to display? Please enter valid phone number. Okay. If phone number length is less than 10, I want to display one error. Please enter valid phone number. Okay. So guys, where you want to display this error message? On top of page or on particular field? So I want to display this message on particular field. Okay. Employee phone number field. Okay. Write the logic, write the error message, select the field where you want to display message, then click on save button. Okay. So validation rule has been created. Now check the functionality. Okay. Try to create new record. Okay. So I'm going to create new record. Okay. Employee name Siriza. Okay. Going to enter the phone number. Clicking on save button. So what I'm getting? I am getting the error message. Please enter valid phone number. Okay. Now I am entering 10-digit phone number. Okay. So what will happen? Record will get saved. Okay. So guys, do you have any doubt till here? No. Didn't understood the logic. No, sir. Clear. Yeah, perfect. Guys, what we want. Okay. What is the client requirement? Okay. Client want if you are entering phone number. Okay. And phone number length is less than 10. That time we have to display error message. Okay. If phone number length is less than 10, so records should not be created into database. Okay. If phone number length is less than 10, records should not be created into database. We have to display error message. Okay. What error message we have to display? Please enter valid phone number. It's a invalid phone number. Okay. Please enter valid phone number. Okay. So we have what we did. We have created one validation rule logic. Okay. Length of phone number. Length function. Okay. Length is the function. Okay. It will return the it will return number of character. Okay. If they are 7 characters, so it will return 7 count. Okay. If they are 12 character, it will return 12 count. Okay. So length of phone number count will get 7 is less than 10. Okay. Condition is true. If I have entered 7-digit phone number. Okay. So 7 less than 10. Yeah. 7 is less than 10. Condition is true. If condition is true, whatever error message you will write, you will get it. Okay. If condition is false, the record will get saved into database. Okay. So guys, what I want, if okay, if phone number length is less than 10, that time I want to display error message. Okay. If phone number length is more than 10, okay, if phone number length is more than 10 digit. Okay, so this time we have 14 digit phone number. Okay, logic, phone number length less than 10. But if I'll enter 14 digit, so 14 is less than 10, condition is true or false? Okay, so 14 is greater than 10, condition is false. If condition is false, what will happen? Record will get saved. Okay, so now what we have to do? If phone number length is greater than 10, that time we have to also display error message. Okay, if phone number length is less than 10 and greater than 10, okay, both time we have to display error message. But if phone number length is 10, that time records should be saved into database. Okay, so I'm going to modify the record. Sorry, I'm going to modify the validation rule. Okay, so now I'm able to save the record. Okay, 14 digit phone number I'm able to store. Okay, but I don't want it. So I'm going to modify the validation rule which I have created. Okay, so click on edit button. Okay, can we write both validation rule in one rule? Yeah. Okay, we can write both condition in one rule. Okay, so what I'm doing, going to copy this logic. We have operator. Okay, so I'm going to use or operator. Okay, going to paste it. Okay, okay, so we have to check the condition. Okay, if phone, instead of or we have to write the and operator. Okay, phone number less than is 10, that time to that time we have to display error message. If phone number, okay, length is more than 10, that time we have to also display the error message. Okay, so click on check syntax, click on save button. Okay, now what I'm doing, I'm going to create new record. Okay, so I'm going to enter 5 digit phone number. Whenever I'll click on save button, whenever I will click on save button, okay, so first validation rule will be execute. After that, record will get saved into database. Okay, if there is some error in validation rule, so record will not get saved. Okay, so on click of save button, record not will be saved into database. First, what will happen? Validation rule will execute. Let me move. Okay, so employee phone number, you can see I have entered 5 digit phone number. I'm getting error message. Let me enter more than 5 digit. Okay, again clicking on save button. Okay, we hit a snag. What is the error? Please enter valid phone number. Okay, now I have entered 10 digit phone number. Now trying to save it. Okay, record will please enter valid phone number. Yeah, so you can see. Successfully, I'm able to save the record. What is the count? What is the length of the phone number? 10. Okay. If I'll decrease one, that time I'll also get the error message. If count will be more than 10, that time I will also get the error message. Okay. Now we can enter only 10-digit phone number. Okay. So, okay, we can modify this validation rule also. Okay. So here I have written two logic. Okay. Here I have written two logic. So instead of writing two logic, what we can do, we can write only one logic here. Okay. So length of phone number, I want, okay, 10. Okay. If I'll use length of phone number equal to 10. Okay. If I'll enter 10-digit phone number, 10 equal to 10. Condition true, error message. Okay. Condition true, error message. What I want, if length of the phone number not equal to 10. Okay. How can we write not equal? Expression. Okay. Expression equal means not equal. If length of phone number is not equal to 10, that time I want to display error message. Okay. So you can write only one logic here. Length of phone number not equal 10. Okay. If length of the phone number is 9, so 9 is not equal to 10. Okay. Is 9 is equal to 10? No. 9 is not equal to 10. Okay. Condition is true. True condition means error message. It's a invalid phone number. Okay. If I'll enter 12-digit phone number, 12 is not equal to 10. Yeah, condition is true. 12 is not equal to 10. If condition is true, what we will get? We'll get the error message. Okay. If we will enter 10-digit phone number, so length of the phone 10, 10 not equal to 10. Okay. 10 is not equal to 10, condition is false. 10 is equal to 10. Okay. So this time condition is false. Condition false means record will get saved into database. Okay. So you can write only simple logic. This logic you can write. Okay. So come to the validation rule and remove this logic. Okay. Simple length, phone number, go to the insert operator. Here you will get not equal. Okay. Not equal. Then 10. Now click on check syntax and check the syntax. Okay. No error found. Let me check this one will work here or not. Okay. It will also work. Okay. Select not equal. Now going to save it. Okay. Let me create another record. Okay. So first I am entering 2-digit, 3-digit phone number. Click on save button. Error message. Please enter valid phone number. Now I am entering 13-digit phone number. Again clicking on save button. Again I am getting error message. Okay, let me remove 3 characters. Clicking on save button. Record will get saved into database. Okay, so now functionality is working fine. Okay, so guys, do you have any doubt? Okay, in validation rule, do you have any doubt, guys? No, no. Perfect. Okay. S- s- What you have to remember in validation rule, if logic is true, means error message. Okay. If you want to save the record, you have to make l- logic as false. Okay. So let me, okay, I'm going to create new employee record. Okay. We have employee DOV. Okay. There is one field employee DOV. What I want, if DOV, I am selecting, okay, greater than today's date. So record will be created or not. Okay. So I'll click on save button, record will be created. Okay. So what I want, DOV should not be greater than today's date. Okay. Employee DOV should not be greater than today's date. Okay. Let's suppose you want project and date. Okay. In project object, we have start date and date. Okay. So project and date, it should not be less than today's date. Okay. So that type of validation rule you can create. Okay. Employee DOB, date of birth should not be greater than today's date. If I'm selecting greater than today's date, so that time we have to display error message. Okay. So now what we have to do, we have to write the logic. We have to create one validation rule and we have to write the logic. Okay. So guys, can you write the logic? What logic we will write? How we will handle this functionality? Okay. Its requirement. Okay. Employee DOB should not be greater than today's date. Okay. Write the logic. Okay. Employee DOB validation rule. Okay. We have to write the logic. Sir, can we write as if a statement is true, then saves the record? Okay, Ganesh, we can't do it. Okay, if a statement is false, that time we can save the record only. Okay, so Prasanna has written one logic. DOB date should be less than or equal to today's date. Perfect. Okay, so employee DOB less than equal to today. Okay, we have to use less than or greater than. Guys, we have to use less than or greater than. Okay, so many participants is saying less than, less than. Okay, so if we will enter the less than, okay, so I'm going to populate the data in employee DOV. Employee DOV is 4th July 2000. Okay, and it is less than today. What is the date? Today's date, 23rd July 2024. Okay, it is the less than. Okay, condition is true or false. Okay, condition is true here or it is false. Okay, so condition is true here. Okay, if condition is true, so what will happen? What we will get? Will get the error message. Okay, if condition is true, we will. Okay, operator, okay, greater than or equal. Okay, now what I want today's date. Okay, I want today's date. So how can we get today's date in formula? How we will get the today's date? Okay, so we have today function. Okay, what is it? It is today. Okay, what is it? These are the function. So select today as a function. From function, you have to select today function. It will return today's date. Okay, click on check syntax. No error found. Error message. Okay, please select old date. Where you want to display this message? On field. Okay, employee DOB. Click on save button. Okay, now I'm going to create the. Okay, I'm going to create the record. Okay, so DOV. First I'm selecting 25th. Clicking on save button. Okay, okay. So there is one snag. Please select old date. What I'm getting? I'm getting error message. Please select old date. Okay, so I'm going to select the old date now. Okay, then click on save button. So what will happen? Record will get saved. Okay, record will be created. Okay, so guys, do you have any doubt? What if I select today's date? Record will be created. Let me check the logic. Okay, I have used equal. Okay, so record will be created. Sorry, record will not created. Condition will be true. If I'll select today's date, even then record will not be created. Okay, let me select the today's date. 23. Let me create new record. Okay, here 23 because in DOB I have selected 2010 as a year. Okay, let me select today's DOB. Okay, so I've selected today's date. Okay, 23 July 2024. Clicking on save button, and what will I get? I'll get the error message. Okay, let me save this record. Okay, so successfully I'm able to save the record. Okay, so if condition is true, we'll get the error message. Okay, if condition is false, so record will get saved. Okay, so I have one question. Okay, if we will modify the record, okay, so validation rule will execute or not? Okay, guys, if you are modifying any record, so validation rule will be executed or not? Okay, if we are creating any record, so validation rule will be executed or not? Yeah, perfect. Okay, so validation rule will be executed every time if you are saving the record or if you are creating the record. Perfect. Sivaram sir greater than means, for example, 20 July 24. Greater than means, let me open the logic. Okay, if we are selecting greater than today's date, okay, like 24th July. 24th July is greater than today. Okay, let's suppose I have selected DOB as 24 July 2024. So simple, I have one question. Is it greater than today's date or not? Okay, so it is greater than today's date. What condition I have written? I am checking, is 24th July is greater than today's date or not? So answer is yes, it is greater than. Yes means true. Okay, if we are getting true, so that is error. We have to display error message. Okay, that's why we have written greater than. Okay, okay. So Aswani is saying, sir, in field creation, the fields are in not in order, like ID salutation. Okay. So guys, next topic is page layout. Okay. So what is page layout? If you want to control the edit page, view page means detail page. Okay. If you want to add the field, you can say. If you want to add the fields on edit page, detail page. Okay. Fields you can add if you want to add the fields and want to remove the field. Okay. If you want to add the fields and remove the fields. Okay. If you want to add and remove. Okay. If you want to add and remove the fields button. Okay. You want to add button, new button. Okay. You want to add new button. You want to remove the button. Okay. Buttons, links, and action. Okay. If you want to add or remove button, links, and action on edit and detail page. Okay. So that time you can use page layout. Okay. And you can assign the fields in a order also. Okay. If you want to remove any field, okay, so you can remove the field. I don't want this fields on page layout, but field I have created. Okay, you can remove the field. I don't want to delete it, but I want to hide it. Okay, standard fields we cannot delete. So what we will do, we will hide the fields. How can we hide the field? From with the help of page layout, we can hide. Okay, so you can use page layout. How can we use the page layout? Click on the setup, object manager, open the object like employee. Okay, and when you will open the object, you will get the page layout. Okay, go to the page layout and drag and drop the field. Okay, then save it. These are the navigation. In which order you want to customize it, you can customize. Okay, so when you will open the employee, what will you get? You will get the fields in one column only. All fields are available in one column. Okay, I want to add fields in two column. Okay, employee email next to name. There. Okay, here I also want to add the fields. Okay, so how it is possible? It is possible with the help of page layout. Okay, so open the page layout, setup. Okay, object manager, open the employee object, and here you will get the page layout. Okay, open the page layouts, open existing page layout. Okay, click on fields to scroll down and you can customize it. Okay, employee name, employee email ID is active. Okay, so these okay fields you can add. Okay, you can drag and drop the fields. Whatever fields you want to drop at top, you can drop it. Okay, you can add on top. Okay, and if you want to create the section, you can create the section also. So I'm going to drag and drop it. I want one section. In that section, I want to add the salary detail. Okay, layout type two column. Okay, so salary details, salary fields I'm going to add in this section. I'm going to create another section, that is other details. Okay, other information. Okay, you can add the field like Naukri profile, okay, bank account number, employee check-in, achievement, okay, bank address, bank account number here, okay, bank name. Okay, now going to save it. I'm clicking on save button. Okay, now let me refresh the page. Okay, so in some time, what will happen? Okay, I'll get the fields in a order. You can see I'm here, layout type is okay. I'm getting the fields, and on right hand side, I'm getting the fields. Okay, on both side, I'm getting the fields on left hand side as well as on right hand side. Okay, earlier I was getting the field only on left hand side. Okay, I have created one section, salary details, and I have added four fields. Okay, in this section I have added total salary amount, minimum salary, okay, total salary count. That data I'm getting. Okay, related to the salary fields, okay, salary fields I'm getting under salary details section. Okay, if you want to check the salary, you can check it. Okay, some fields I have added in other information section. Okay, you can see these fields. Okay, so in which order you want to add the fields, you can customize it on the basis of your requirement with the help of page layout. Okay, if you want to add the fields, add the fields. If you want to remove the fields from here, you can remove it from page layout. Okay, so guys, do you have any doubt in page layout? Okay, no doubt. Perfect. Okay, guys, so it's enough for today. We'll connect you tomorrow. Okay, so Chandana, are you here?
Yeah, Himanshu.
Yeah, so I have done.
Yeah, thank you. Students, I'm sharing the attendance link. If you missed out your attendance, please mark it again. Okay, somebody is asking about yesterday's attendance. Sorry, we can't able to provide that. 4, 5, 6 material is not available in LMS. Please check again. 4, 5, we already uploaded it. 6th is pending. We will upload it. Okay. Ma'am, when we'll get a digital marketing certificate? By tomorrow morning, you will receive it. Okay. It is in a process. It will take by today, end of the day. Hmm? How to log in LMS. So we have videos in YouTube also. So please check there. First day we explained about LMS. Just go to that. Okay. Where we'll get our certificate. So you will receive your certificate um, through your email. Okay. So the question. So Rakesh, yesterday you didn't mark your attendance. That's okay, no problem. 60% is mandatory for this certificate, no? If you missed out for 1 day, it's okay, no problem. 9 days, make sure that you marked it. Okay. Okay. Like a drop in email to our support team, they will help you, Amrita. Sure, I will share this email ID. edl@exelo.com. Okay, if any questions regarding that, just drop an email to this mail ID. Any exam for certificate? No, there is no exam for certificate. Only we are considering your attendance. Ma'am, मेरा certificate नहीं मिला आज. Like today, you will receive it. No, no problem. Okay. And how to submit assessments? So for these programs, we are not providing any assessments. Last day we have one assignment. Okay. So for that, it is in a MCQ format. You have to mark. Like later, I will explain you people detailing. Okay. Okay. Then I hope no more questions. We'll wind up the session.